What are the stages of corn? The growing stages of corn can be divided into two different phases, the vegetative stage and then the reproductive stage. Within the vegetative stage of corn, it refers to number collars present on the plant. Vegetative stage ranges from VE to VT. VE is emergence and happens 4 to 5 days after planting. V1 is the first leaf on the collar. V2 is 2 leaves present on the collar. V3 is when the third leaf is present on the collar and when the plant starts photosynthesis. V4 is when the fourth leaf becomes visible. V5 to V6 is when the fifth and sixth leaf become visible and it is essential for nitrogen uptake. V7 is when rapid growth begins. V2 is then tasseling. After this, the corn transitions into reproductive stages, which starts with R1. R1 is when the silks are visible on the outside of the husk. An R2 phase, which is when the kernel is white on the outside. R3 is the milk stage and the kernel becomes yellow and white fluid on the inside. The dough phase is the next. 5 is the dent phase and the kernel starts to dry towards the top. Then physiological maturity happens during R6. During this, the kernel is dried to its maximum. What stage is your corn?